Oh yeah, it does feel really nice in here. That's cool. Must the car be in charge for it to do that?
Oh, no, not necessarily. Your battery charge just needs to be at a level above 20%. If Your Highness is thrifty and chilly, he can put on the heated seats, and that's it. It consumes 5 to 10 times less than the heating. Let's go for a real-life demo.
Go for it.
First, I'm going into hybrid mode.
Okay.
Second, I enter the destination in the GPS, and then ta-da! All the magic of the system is available to you. Let me explain. The GPS knows the profile and speed limits of the roads we are going to take. So it will constantly determine which of the two engines, thermal or electric or both, it will use to maintain the lowest consumption, depending on the battery level.
All this without doing anything?
Nothing at all. Put your seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Basically, the car favors electric in the city and thermal on the expressway.
That's convenient.
And that's not it. Look, you also have the eSafe function.
And what's that?
A small electric reserve to drive through zero-emission zones, for example.
And so?
Well, look, I decide I want to keep 10 kilometers of electric range for what I need. There, the system keeps this electrical energy in case I need it, so I'm never short of power.
Convenient indeed. What's the little B button you just pressed?
So this, Pierre, I love. That's the whole philosophy of hybrid driving. Anticipation. You see, my driving is super fluid. No sudden acceleration, no sudden braking on the road.
That's true, it's very fluid, but it doesn't tell me what this little B button is.
B for brake. In fact, it's like a big engine brake which makes you recover energy when you lift your foot a little. If you anticipate well, you don't even need to brake anymore and you save your brake pads.
So to charge your car, how do you plug it in? Can you plug it in anywhere?
So that. You'll find out in the sequel, Pierre. Hey, I have to work a bit. I have an appointment.
Just like my smartphone then.
Exactly. It is that easy. Charging time less than 2 hours.
Now that's fast.